Look closely at this shot. The shadows, the lighting, the human movement. It's flawless. I generated this in less than 60 seconds with one line of text. This is not the AI video of last year. This technology is not just getting better, it's getting scary. And it's about to change everything about how we make money on YouTube. I've tested every major AI video generator on the market, burning through thousands of credits to find the 5 tools that are actually worth your time and money. Whether you want to launch a faceless YouTube channel, create cinema-quality B-roll, or just build viral shorts, one of these 5 tools is your next secret weapon. Let's dive in. For 5 is the Budget Beast, CapCut's AI video suite. Now, CapCut is a familiar name, but their new AI features are blowing up. It's perfect for the beginner creator because you can go from a simple text prompt to a fully edited video with music and captions in one single app. At number 4, we have the tools that power the faceless gold rush, Synthesia and HeyGen. This isn't for creating cinematic scenes. This is for content that needs a consistent, professional spokesperson without ever having to step in front of a camera. Need a weekly news video in 7 different languages? Want a digital consultant that never misses a day? These tools are unmatched for creating professional lip-synced avatars from text. They're pricey, but if you're running a business or a large-scale content operation, they pay for themselves immediately. Number 3. Luma AI's Dream Machine. This one shook the internet when it launched because of one killer feature: speed. While its competitors take several minutes to generate a clip, Dream Machine delivers a jaw-dropping clip in under 2 minutes. The physics are remarkably good, the motion is fluid, and the output is often in 4K. The ideal creator? Someone doing rapid-fire creative work. It's a brainstorming tool as much as it is a final output tool. You can iterate on a prompt 5 times in the time it takes to get one generation from some of the other models. Coming in at number 2 is the industry standard for filmmakers, Runway Gen 3 Alpha. This is where you get complex camera movements and fine-grained control. If you need a cinematic push-in, a specific motion blur, or a consistent character across multiple shots, Runway is the tool. They've built an entire editing suite around their AI, not just a generator. This is the closest you'll get to professional Hollywood VFX quality right now. It costs more, and it takes longer, but the final output is worth the premium. Which brings us to the number 1 AI video generator that will define 2025. It is, without a doubt, Google Veo. While it's the most difficult to get access to, the results speak for themselves. Veo's specialty is photorealism and perfect physics. It handles complex concepts like changing light, reflections, and liquid motion with near-perfect fidelity. The generation I showed you at the very beginning, that was Veo. This is the technology that will be integrated into everything we do, from YouTube Shorts to Google Ads. It sets the new benchmark for what's possible. So, that's my top 5. You have your budget beast for shorts, your avatar kings for business, your speed demon for rapid creation, your cinematic king for control, and your photorealism nightmare at number 1. The big takeaway here is that every creator now has access to a multi-million-dollar production studio. The barrier to entry has never been lower. Now, if you want to learn how to write the perfect prompts to get these kinds of results, you need to check out my free PDF guide. I've linked it below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech that's changing content forever. I'll see you in the next video.